Linking your bank to Groupby is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances more efficiently. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Create a Groupby account. Visit the Groupby website or download the app. Sign up for an account by providing your email address and creating a password. Make sure to verify your email to activate your account. Step 2. Navigate to Bank Linking section. Once logged in, go to the Settings or Account Management section of the platform. Look for an option labeled Link Bank Account or Bank Connections. Step 3. Select your bank. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in the databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter your banking credentials. You will be prompted to enter your online banking credentials, which may include your username and password. Ensure that you are using the correct information to avoid any connection issues. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your credentials, follow any additional prompts to confirm the connection. Once completed, save your settings. You should see a confirmation that your bank account is now linked to Groupby. Now that you have successfully linked your bank account to Groupby, you can start enjoying the benefits of managing your finances in one place.